So, good afternoon. We're going to talk about past, present, and future. Past, present, and future. You see, up on the board, we have words like yesterday, right now, every, tomorrow. And so, as we learn, each one of these words goes with different kinds of verbs, right? So, with yesterday, you use ed, right? What are some other words that happen in the past?
Last week.
In the past, yeah. We can use words like yesterday, last week. What else? Let's do, yeah, other words using last are good, such as last year. Good. How about for our ing verbs? Verbs that use ing, or for things like right now.
Today.
What else?
Today.
Yeah, could be today. And what else? Yeah, you can just use now. So for ing, like this is for things that are happening right now, at this time. Good. What about for every? Every, like, for example, every
day.
Every day. What else? Every time. Could be every time. What else?
Every week.
Every week. How about something more specific? Every
morning.
Yeah, very good. You could say every morning or every
night.
Every night. Good. And for our future, we have tomorrow. What other words are for the future?
Next.
Yeah, we could use the word next. Like next what? Next year. Yeah. Next year. Next year. Next week. The next day. Next time. Next morning. The next night. So
after
also after, yeah, that's another really good word we can use.
or later, right?
Yeah, we can use after. So after this, something. Or, yeah, the word you just used was later. Later. When is later? We don't really know. It could be later today. It could be tomorrow. It could be next week. Later really just means in the future. But usually, when we use later, it means today. So, over here, we have a few sentences on the board. First one is, she stayed at home yesterday. So, is this past, present, or future?
Past.
Yeah, past. How do you know?
Yesterday.
Because yesterday. So, with stay, what word do we use?
Stay.
Oh, yeah, we use stayed. Ed. Right? Good. How about the next one? Past, present, future.
Past.
Yeah, it's past. We know that because last week. And what do we use for
Not
that?
go, when.
Yeah, we don't actually use go.
When.
But in English, we use went. I went to school last week. About the next one. I am drive to school right now. When is this?
Present.
Yeah, this is present. You know that?
Right now.
Because it says right now. Okay? And because we're using right now, what do we need to use with right now? ing. So where does the ing go?
Driving.
Drive. So driving. about the next one? Tom eats bread every day. When does that happen?
Present.
Yeah, it's happening present, but this kind of present, right? So Tom, no, it's Tom eats, right? Tom eats bread every day. How about for the last two? He lived in Boston
Next year.
next year. So past, present, or future?
Future.
Yeah, future. So he, what word do we use for the future? Say will. So he will live in Boston next year. Okay. And the last one, he studied English next week. It's future again, and so we use will. Okay. So you first have to look at when. Ask yourself when it is happening. Yesterday, last week, right now, every day, next year, next week, and then use the right word for that. So either add ed or ing or nothing or will for future. Okay. Very good. Any questions about that? All right. Do you think we understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we'll try a short activity. We have here our dice, right? So dice or cubes, right? So we'll roll each one of the dice, and then we'll try to use them in a sentence. So the first one we have here are our pronouns, which have they, he, I, she, things like that. Here we have our verbs, things that you do, actions, right? So buy, go, finish. You have nouns, school, meringue, homework. I know you don't like to do homework, huh? Or maybe you do. And last, our time words. Time words. The most important one, right? So we have words like yesterday, tomorrow, or every day. Okay? So I'll give you an example first. Take one from each pile, and then we can roll these. So what do we have? We have it, buy, right now, and water. Right now and water. So our sentence could be, it will come to my house to buy water. Right? It is coming to my house to buy water right now. Right. So with right now, what are we using? Right now. So we're using ing. So we use something like it is coming to my house, or it is buying. It is buying water at my house. Kind of odd because we don't know what it is, but okay. So who would like to try? I'd like to give it a try. Kinta? Okay. So give it a try.
Every day.
Okay. Every day. House.
It.
It. Yeah. Okay. So what sentence can we use with that? It's drink
It's drink
House.
water in the house every day.
every day. Yeah. What do we think it could be? What could it be?
I drink water in my house every day.
Yeah, if you're using I. But it's maybe like your dog or a cat.
My God.
Yeah. Maybe that is it. Okay, very good. So, important thing, every day, nothing. Just it
Drinks.
it drinks. Okay. Okay, good.
Pronouns
Maya,
every
you like to
day.
do that?